Well, here I am out in the creek. It's raining. I wanted to try and at least get a couple pans in today. But I tell you, man, just looking in this dark, murky water, I can just imagine that dragon hiding down in here somewhere. And I don't really want to come toe to toe with him if he's in here. He's probably moved on or whatever, but I hate to think that if he's down in that hole and I can't see him, I just don't want to risk it. But, I just wanted to grab like a couple pans worth, maybe toss them in the bucket. This is on my second pan here. So yeah. Kind of wishing I had a flow pan, but I'll work with what I got. Especially since I heard Doc's releasing a new modification to the flow pan, which will be the Con box. It's basically going to turn a flow pan into a hog pan, so it's going to make the hog pan obsolete. So I think I'll wait for that to be officially released, and then I'll order it. So that way I can have it with the Con box option. But until then, I'm just kind of digging right about here. I don't really want to go into this deep area and run into a dragon. Panning over there by my chair. Yeah, if it was just brighter out today, maybe I would go into the hole, but yeah, I don't want to lose a toe or a hand. I've seen what those snappers can do on Coyote Peterson's channel. Brave Wilderness. Don't want to run into them. But yeah, I'm just gonna dig right here in the shallows, pan it out over there in the shallows. That way I have like this little walled off area, so that way if a turtle does come in, I know which direction it's coming from. But yeah, just down here, I've noticed that if you guys watched my last video about the nail in my boot, it was a old-fashioned square nail that was jammed up in my right boot. Caused me a lot of pain over the years. All those trips out, I was like, ow, what's wrong with my foot? Ow, there's something in my boot. Turns out it was an old-fashioned square nail. And now that it's out of the boot now, it's a big gaping hole that water is just pouring into. So pretty much I have a wet sock in my right boot. So I'm wet. But I'm gonna only be out here for a couple more pans, and I'm gonna call it a day, because it's raining or whatever, and it's dark, and my imagination is just running wild of what could be in this hole right now. As much as I know there's gold in this hole, I don't want to run into anything that what else might be in there. So yep, I'm just gonna maybe do like 5 or 6 pans and call it a day. Man. So I'm trying to crank out more videos for you guys, since I found out I am now over 100 subscribers. So you guys really got my butt in gear now, so I'm trying to crank up more videos for you guys. I noticed I lost a subscriber. But it happens. Hopefully one day I'll be like one of those famous YouTubers that has, a million some odd subscribers, and gets paid for doing what I do. That'd be fantastic. So yeah, I want to run this. It's supposed to rain for a couple more days, so I'm hoping that maybe we'll get like some high flood waters through here. Like, I see what's going on down in Boston, and they're having some flood issues down there. I'm hoping we'll have some flooding issues over here so I can run the sluice box. If not, maybe I can get my parental units to drive me down to a different creek where I can hang out for the day, make some videos. Next time I'll definitely bring the GoPro if I go someplace cool. If Steve and I end up going camping, you know, there'll be tons of videos for you guys then. If not, you know, like I said, I'll probably buy a couple bags of pay dirt from different companies and do some reviews or whatever, get some nice chunky gold. But yep, enough rambling. I gotta get back to work. I'm soaking out here now, between the water coming into my boot and the water pouring on me. Yep, I'm gonna get back to work. Nice and pretty down here. It'd be more pretty if I could get some sun through these trees. But with the cloud cover and whatnot, I don't think that's gonna happen today. So, yep, I'm gonna do that. See you later, guys.